बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम कर रहे हैं कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट ऐसे सिटी एंड विलेज लाइफ। City life and village life are two completely different lifestyles. Both have their own advantages and disadvantages, and people can choose the lifestyle that suits them best. One of the major differences between city and village life is the pace of life. In the city, life is fast paced and people are always busy with work and other activities. On the other hand, in a village life is slower and people have more time to relax. Another major difference between city and village life is the availability of basic facilities. In the city, good roads, public transport, hospitals, shopping centers, educational institutes, and entertainment facilities are usually available. In contrast, village often has limited facilities. The cost of living is also different between city life and village life. Basic necessities like housing and food are very expensive in the city. In contrast, the cost of living in village is generally lower and people can often live a simple lifestyle. Another difference between city and village life is the level of pollution. In the city, there is usually a higher level of pollution due to a large number of people and vehicles. In contrast, villages usually have cleaner air and a quieter environment. The social and cultural lives of a city and village are very different. In a city, people of different cultures live together, whereas in a village, people of the same cultural background live together. Therefore, whether it is city life or village life, both have some benefits and it is up to people which lifestyle they prefer. ये था कंपेयर एंड कॉन्ट्रास्ट ऐसे विलेज लाइफ और सिटी लाइफ पर। उम्मीद है समझ आ गया होगा। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।